Hello, my name is Thomas Carissa and I'm the Junior School Principal at Udon Thani International School. I'd like to invite you to our open house on Wednesday the 25th of September. The purpose of our open house is to allow prospective parents to come around, see our facilities and experience the wonderful learning opportunities that we provide for our students. You'll be able to come along and see in the early years, primary years, middle years and our newly opened diploma programme. During our open house, you'll be able to see play-based construction activities, inquiry-based science, mathematical investigations, and practical science investigations in our laboratory. We really look forward to welcoming you on Wednesday, the 25th of September at 9 a.m. Thank you.
UDIS